Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, but today guys we're stuffing our stimulus check. So guys, comment down below what y'all planning to do with your stimulus check, but me, I'm throwing it all into my sinking funds. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're gonna pull out my iPad, and guys, I have been working on this sinking funds tracker. This is not a budget book, but it's just for me to track my sinking funds, and I just want to show you guys what I made. So this is the cover, is the sinking funds cover, and the next page is my paycheck envelopes breakdown. It goes from my cash envelopes and my sinking funds. Show you guys how I will use this in this video. Next is my sinking funds update, and this is a monthly update. So we list the categories here and the beginning balance of each month, and then the ending balance of that month, and then the change. Like for example, say Christmas, we started off the month at 1,000, and then we ended the month off at 1,300. So our change will be positive 300. So we made positive progress in that. Alright, so then we add the total of the month beginning total and then the month ending total, and then right here will be the sinking funds total amount change from the beginning to the ending total, and then you put it right here. Like for example, we in our sinking funds we started off with 5,000, and then we ended the month off at 6,500. So the sinking fund total amount change would be 1,500. So we made $1,500 progress in our sinking funds. So yeah, I'll show you guys that when at the end of January. So let me know what you guys think. I'm planning to throw this up on my Etsy shop so you guys could get a hold of this. So this is just a digital breakdown, digital sinking fund tracker. So here's mine's. So I actually already broke down my stimulus check already. So this is what I did. I threw my stimulus check all into sinking funds. I did not use any cash envelopes because I stuffed my cash envelopes only with my paycheck. So let's get right into this. Alright, starting off with my kids sinking fund. I got 600 each for both of my kids. So I'm not going to take any of their money. I'm just going to throw it all into their sinking funds. So we're going to be adding 600 into Lanasia's. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Lanasia now has 1,000, 2,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900, 950, 970, 580, 246. $2,986. So she's definitely about to get another 1K slip in her envelope. Okay, next is Jaden, and Jaden is also getting 600. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Jaden now has 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 550, 570, 575, 577. Jaden has $2,577. Alright, so all my new subscribers out there, if you guys are wondering why my kids have different amounts in their sinking funds, it's because when they get money from relatives for their birthday money, I do not spend it. I just stuff it in here. So that's the reason why they have different amounts. And I do stuff their envelopes the same amount each week, which is $25. So this is just their general savings. Alright, so next is vacation, and vacation is getting $15. So 10 and a 5. So vacation now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 550, 560, 570, 575, 580. So we have 580 for vacation. You guys, do not talk about my handwriting. I know it's jacked up on the iPad. All right, family time. Family time is getting 20. So 20, and we now have 135 in family time. Clothing is getting 20 bucks. And in clothing, we now 100, 200, 20, 40, 50, $1. So we at 251. Alright guys, onto our blue binder. Alright guys, we already have our $1,000 in our emergency fund. So next is home remodel, and home remodel is getting 50 bucks. Wait, but before that guys, I want to show you guys the cash breakdown slip, because I got questions on people not knowing the amounts, like the denominations when they go to the bank, because it'd be so confusing to get the right denomination. So all I use is this cash breakdown slip, and to wipe it off I just use alcohol, and I use a Sharpie to write on this. So for example, like Lenasia, she needs $600 bills, so you guys could also tally it too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then Jaden also has $600 bills, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically like that guys, you can just go down the list, and right here you just write the total amount that you are withdrawing. And this paycheck, well, this stimulus check, I withdrew $1,800. So guys, if you guys order a binder from me, you guys got this as a free gift. And then I just added a quote on the back, and this is by Dave Ramsey. This says, earning a lot of money is not the key to prosperity. How you handle it is. So you guys remember that. Alright, so back to this guys. Home remodel is getting 50 bucks. So 50, and we now have 100, 20, 40, 60, 70. We have 170 in home remodel. Oh, back to my my sinking funds tracker. So like this is the stimulus check, right guys? So right here I tell you guys, I'm just stuffing my sinking funds. So you list the categories here, you list the amount that you guys are stuffing this paycheck, or whatever you guys are stuffing, like your bonus check, which is for me is my stimulus. So this is the amount that I'm stuffing in each envelope, and then this is the balance of my sinking funds after I stuff that amount. So next is car maintenance, and car maintenance is getting 50. And we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 650, 700, 20, 30. So we had 730 for car maintenance. So with this money, I'm planning to give it to my boyfriend to help him pay for his Audi, because right now is something wrong with the Megatron unit, so he got to get that fixed, and it's like $4,000 to $5,000 guys. It's crazy, but yeah, I do want to help him out. That's why I'm gonna give him this money in here whenever he's gonna get it fixed. So I'm gonna chip in whatever I have. So Debt Snowball is getting 100 this week, well, this check. So how much we are paying towards debt? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are paying 600 towards debt. And you guys, I usually take out my Debt Snowball money each month to pay my credit card. So next is health, and health is getting 5. So in health we now have 100, 150, 160, 170, 175, 180, 185. So we have 185 for health. And guys, I changed my mind about returning the waist trainer. I'm actually gonna keep it. It's not bad, I just gotta get used to it. Alright guys, the last thing in here is my savings challenge. So my boyfriend actually is doing the savings challenge too, but he's gonna start his this week. He get paid bi-weekly, so his check is coming in this Friday. So I'm actually gonna stuff it too, and I'm not sure what he's gonna do, either the 2K goal or the 5K goal. So since this is not my paycheck and this is just an extra income, I'm gonna fill in the extra box, guys. Like, we're definitely hitting that extra box hard. So 50, 75. Do you guys ever look at your bills and notice there's a star here? I love star dollar bills. Like, I just think they're real nice, even though it's just a star there, but I love looking at it. So next we're gonna cross out this box, which is the extra box, $75. Like, guys, we're gonna hit this $2,000 goal quick. So if you guys purchased this saving challenge envelope from me, like I said, you guys, I use a Sharpie marker and I use alcohol to get rid of the marker, and it all depends on how long that the marker was on the envelope. Sometimes it come off easily, sometimes it takes some time just to rub it all off, but I'm just showing you guys that it does come off, and this is a Sharpie marker. So boom. I mean, it's not all the way off. I mean, I could get it all the way off, but I don't got time for that right now. So we're gonna go on to our paint binder. So you guys, I don't know if I want to count this because my goal for this is actually 2K. So I will know when I hit that 2K when I fill up all the boxes. So let's go on to our paint binder. Guys, onto my paint binder. You guys, this is one of my favorites. I love looking in my savings just to see it build up. So savings this week is getting $100. So we pulling out 100, and savings we now have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 1, 2, 3, 400, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we had $3,404. So guys, I also upped my Christmas envelope. I stuffed my Christmas envelope 27, but now I upped it $3. I don't know if I want to up it some more. I probably will. Not sure yet, but this is what I'm working with right now. For Christmas, we now have 100, 20, 40, 50, 5, 62, 4, 5. Alright, back to school is getting $5. And back to school we now have 20, 40, 55, 65. Alright, so next is gifts, and gifts is getting $15. So in gifts we now have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 85, 90. Alright, so next is Boss Up, and Boss Up is getting 35. So 10, 20, 30, 5. So in Boss Up we now have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, $85. So Boss Up, guys, is my business envelope. And last is taxes, and taxes is getting $80. 50, 60, 70, 80. So in taxes we now have 100, 200, 300, 350, 370, 390, 400, 10, 20, 30. So thanks for tuning in, and also guys, I want you guys to let me know what you guys think about my sinking funds tracker. So I use the GoodNotes 5 on my iPad Pro, and if you guys would like a tutorial on like how I add more pages and stuff, actually let me just show you guys now. So this is my stimulus check, so I'll be getting paid Friday from work. So what I would do is just click this add button right here, and then I would click actually first we gotta copy the page. So we click this right here and we click copy page, and then this add button right here, and then we put paste page, and it should be a blank. Well, it's not a blank. Is it a blank? Oh no, it's not a blank because I copied it beforehand. And then you guys can clear the page too, and then just start over. And then like you can do with any of these, you know, this will be paycheck number 2, and then if you guys want to add another one, just repeat, guys. Just paste the page and then clear the page and start over. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think about that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.